Good evening all. Today we will see test case design techniques. Test case design techniques. So these are very important. So what is meant by test case design techniques, right? So this helps test case design techniques. This helps to write or design better test cases. Test case design techniques helps to write or design better test cases. So techniques types. So one is boundary value analysis. We call it as BVA. Equivalence, class, partition, decision table, state transition, and the last one is error guessing. Okay, these are the test case design techniques. So one is boundary value analysis, one is equivalence class partition, one is decision table, one is state transition, one is error guessing. This one we will see each one. In next sessions. I hope this will be very helpful guys for you. We will see each and every session in upcoming sessions. Thank you.